Hello everyone, my name is Anna Meshcheriakova. I am a master's student of the Department of Media Systems and Technologies of Kharkiv National University of Radio Electronics, and together with my co-author Nona Kuleshova, which is Associate Professor of the Department of Media Systems and Technologies, we want to present a work regarding artificial intelligence and its role in printing sphere artificial intelligence as a design tool for a printing shop. Let's start with relevance of the topic. With the development of artificial intelligence, it has also affected the publishing and printing businesses, as AI can simplify a speed of work at the different stages, at the stage of design, printing, checking for defects, etc. However, the use of AI is not always appropriate, as it has its own specifics according to the work of each printing business and must be investigated separately. Considering a printing shop that provides custom design development and print on demand, for example, apparel print or poster design, or has its own custom brand print products, the stage of creating the visual part can be performed using AI tools. And what do we mean when we are talking about AI-powered design tool? That's a separate software for generating images with the support of artificial intelligence that optimizes the process by learning preferences and suggesting a range of alternative design solutions. A sample of web design tool you can see on the slides, and later we will talk about more examples of such design tools. Currently, there are a lot of examples of AI-powered design toolkit. Uh, for example, Designs AI, Midjourney, Leonardo, Ideogram, ChatGPT. It's not all of them, but probably the most popular and successful programs. For now, most of them provide a free trial version or even a free subscription, but of course it has its own advantages and disadvantages about which we will talk later. Also, it is important to notice the customer experience. Some print studios also provide customers with an opportunity to create the design by themselves using artificial intelligence tools, which are built into the studio shop website, for example, that tracks the customer and saves the designer's time. So the customers can choose the style of apparel, for example, t-shirt, the style, the color, what they want to see, the style of the image, etc. So you can just create the t-shirt by yourself if you're a customer and want to experience all the creation by yourself. And now we can move to the part where we can analyze the advantages of this and disadvantages of using AI for a printing studio. And the first advantage is, of course, a higher speed of design creation compared to the work of designer. Of course, it saves a lot of time when you just put the description of what you want to see on the screen, and AI tool can generally just create it for you without even designing it by human. Second advantage is no need for additional skills to use the AI program. As we talked earlier about customer experience, customer can just use AI program without no additional skills and get a result. Involvement of the client in creating his own design attract the customer. For sure, if you want to experience the creation by yourself, that's definitely an advantage for the owner of print shop and of course an advantage for the customer. Next advantage which logically appear, a lower price for the client due to the lack of graphic designer manual work. So instead of paying the designer, you need to pay a subscription for an AI-powered design tool, which is disadvantage about which we will talk later. And we move to disadvantages, and one of the most important thing is lack of uniqueness and author's contribution to the design. So if the print shop has its own brand, using AI would be inappropriate because there is no author contribution in it. Next disadvantage is high probability of visual errors during the image generation, and after that the difficulty of managing the design generation result. Of course, AI is developing and we have less mistakes after all, but still sometimes it takes a lot of time to get the result you want because errors occurs and results may be not what you're expecting. And the last disadvantage about which I talked earlier is paid subscription to the program is required for better results. If we want AI tool to work for us properly and to get good results, we need a paid subscription, and yeah, that could be a disadvantage. After that, we can make some conclusions. Using artificial intelligence for a small printing business can definitely reduce the time of design development as well as provide the customers with involvement in image creation. However, if the print studio has its own unique brand and author's approach to design, the use of artificial intelligence may be inappropriate. That was a presentation regarding artificial intelligence as a design tool for a printing shop. Thank you for your attention.